How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Valorant freezing on the actual loading screen. Now, basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have updated your drivers to the latest version. So I'm just going to quit out of my desktop. And simply from here, you then want to type, for example, if you're using something like NVIDIA, type NVIDIA drivers. And if you're using something like AMD, type AMD drivers. And then just make sure that you have selected the right product. So in my case, I'm using the RTX 30 series. I'll click find and then get the highest or the most compatible drivers that basically is available right here, because having an outdated driver will actually cause your game to freeze, and doing this helps you get rid of that. The other thing that you have to eliminate is having some corrupted files or missing data on the file game itself. So to fix that, head over to Riot Games, click on your profile icon, click setting, navigate through Valorant, and just make sure that you actually click on repair. This will then go ahead and fix missing files and corrupted files that will basically cause the problem. And the last thing that I recommend is actually switching from an hard drive to SSD. So if you install your game to a hard drive, this will actually cause your game to load very, very poorly and slowly. And navigating or switching through a better SSD will go ahead and make sure that your Valorant loads seamlessly or efficiently. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.